Let's take a look at multiplying and dividing rational expressions. Let's start with a reminder of how to multiply fractions. When I have a over b times c over d, I get ac over bd. So basically, I multiply the numerators and then I multiply the denominators. We do the same kind of thing when we get to multiplying rational expressions. The difference is we want to factor to keep things simple. So our first step will be to factor the expressions, cancel any common factors, then multiply the expressions. There's no need to expand after you've multiplied the numerator and denominator. Let's take a few examples to see how this works. We'll start with x over 4 times 32 over x plus 5. We can rewrite this as x over 4 times 32, which is 4 times 8, over x plus 5. So I factored the 32 to see the common factor of 4 that can be canceled. Now when I multiply x times 8, I get 8x over x plus 5. Making that a little bigger, I have x plus 6 over x squared plus 4x minus 12 times x minus 2 over x plus 2. X plus 6 doesn't need to be simplified. X squared plus 4x minus 12 can be factored into x plus 6 and x minus 2. X minus 2 over x plus 2 was already in factored form, so now we're looking for common factors. I see an x plus 6 on the top and the bottom. I see an x minus 2 on the top and the bottom. When we cancel everything in the numerator, we want to remember there is a 1 left over. So in the numerator, 1 times 1 is 1, and the denominator, I have x plus 2. When we move on to dividing fractions, like a over b divided by c over d, we get a over b times d over c, which is ad over bc. It's important to remember that dividing by a fraction is equal to multiplying by the reciprocal. So now, our steps to divide rational expressions are to start by rewriting the quotient as an equivalent product. Then we factor the expression, cancel common terms, multiply the expressions, and once again, we do not expand. Let's try x over 7 divided by x plus 2 over 28. I have x over 7. We're going to flip the x plus 2 over 28 and make it 28 over x plus 2. We see that 7 goes into 28 4 times. So my answer is 4x over x plus 2. Our last one says x squared minus 64 over x squared plus 13x plus 40 divided by 4x over x plus 5. We'll start by rewriting it as x squared minus 64 over x squared plus 13x plus 40, but now times x plus 5 over 4x. X squared minus 64 becomes x plus 8 times x minus 8. X squared plus 13x plus 40 is x plus 5 times x plus 8. Then I multiply by x plus 5 over 4x. I can see an x plus 8 common to numerator and denominator. I see an x plus 5 that's also common to both the numerator and denominator. What do I have left over? I have x minus 8 over 4x. Just like we saw when we were simplifying expressions, we only cancel out things that are factored. So the resulting x minus 8 over 4x, even though there's an x on top and on bottom, I don't see a multiplication with the x minus 8. Those two terms have to stick together. I can't separate them. So be careful not to cancel more than you're allowed to, and make sure you're canceling common terms in the numerator and denominator.